Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, smash, and like it? That subscribe button helps other people know when they post videos. Well, today we're going to be making peanut butter cookies today, and these particular cookie recipe comes to you from CJ's Kitchen, and I'll have the link below to show more. And what you'll need for this is half a cup of confectionate swerve, granulated, and half a cup of swerve powdered for your sweetener. And also you'll need 1 cup of unsweetened and very clean peanut butter, which we have, and I'll show you the brand in a minute. And also you'll need 1 egg at room temperature. So this particular recipe is pretty simple. So this is the peanut butter that we're going to be using today. It's called Teddy's All Natural Smooth Unsalted Peanut Butter. And that's what it looks like. You can get that almost anywhere. And the macros are very, very clean on it. Okay. So what we'll do is, since the peanut butter is hard to clean up out of the 1 cup that I'm going to be using to measure out the peanut butter, we're just going to go like one of these numbers, and we're going to kind of like eyeball it. So on this, this is the new jar of peanut butter. I haven't opened it up yet. So we'll go like about this, and right where the E is in the bottom there, that'll be about marked. Let's see, do it that way. Right about where that E is over here is about 1 cup. Okay, so that'll be an indication that we're supposed to stop at that point. And if you go over it and under, it doesn't matter. It'll be okay. So what we'll do is we'll put the powdered sugars into the bowl. We'll put the peanut butter in, and we'll mix it up a little bit, and then we'll use the electric mixer, and we'll form it into a dough, and then we'll create our cookies using the mini scoop that we have. And if your hands get too sticky, you can always spray them with a little bit of oil. We got avocado oil for that, just in case we need to. And just reaching over here. We're going to be using the handheld mixer for that till we get it to a dough. And then we're going to be using our sheeting pan. We got that nice sheeting pan lined with a silicone. We'll separate the cookies. We'll flatten them down a little bit with it, and it'll make a little crisscross with a fork. And that gets baked in the oven. So once we flatten those down with the fork and make a little shape out of them, we'll bake them up in the oven at a preheated oven at 350 for about 8 to 12 minutes, and then we'll pop them out, let them cool, and then we'll put them on the cooling rack, and then we'll have a couple together and put the rest in a Ziploc bag for later in the week, or freeze them, and we'll have them for a snack. But I made this once, twice before. They came out really good. And but without further ado, let's flip the camera around and get right to it. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, today we're going to be making some peanut butter cookies today, and for this you'll need 1 cup of peanut butter. Today we're going to be using this Teddy's all natural smooth unsalted peanut butter today. And if you're concerned about the macros, that's the macros on the back. It's very, very clean. So what we'll do is we're going to eyeball about a cup of peanut butter out of here, and that comes up to about where the E is, and we'll just scoop it out with a spoon. And then for our dry ingredients, you'll need half a cup of powdered swerve and half a cup of granular swerve. And then to bind everything all together, we'll need 1 egg at room temperature. And then we're going to use the handheld mixer. We're going to mix it up till it forms a dough. And then at that point, we'll use our ice cream scooper, which is my little scooper over here that I have, a small one. And we'll form cookies. And we'll put them on a sheeting pan that I got lined with silicone. And we'll pop that in the oven at 350 for about 8 to 12 minutes until they're fully cooked. So without further ado, why don't we just go right into the recipe. about what your batter should look like. Now we're going to make our cookies. So we made 10 cookies. That's what I got out of the batch. I was just gonna kind of like flatten down a little bit with my palm. Shape them into a cookie shape. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to take a fork and we're going to just make a crisscross pattern with each one. There you go. That wasn't too hot, huh? So now let's get those going in the oven for about 8 to 12 minutes, and we'll check them at the 8-minute mark. And then when they done, we'll pop them out of the oven, and we'll put them on a cooling rack and sample one together and talk about it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys ever made this before. And how did they come out? Now you could probably put some sugar-free M&Ms on top or some chocolate chips, but today we wanted just plain peanut butter cookies today. So that's our video for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So okay guys, so we're gonna take our cookies that we just made and we're gonna put them in the oven. When those are ready, we'll pop those out of the oven and we'll talk about it in the back room. Like you see, they did expand it a little bit. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, it took about 12 minutes, but our cookies are done. Now I haven't pulled them off the mat yet because I don't want them to break apart, but you can see how they expanded out a little bit, and that's perfectly what we want. So what we're going to do at this point, I'm going to take the carefully take the pan, usually a pot holder because it's still warm and hot, and I'm going to see if I can't lift up the mat without burning myself. There we go, use that. I'm going to take that and slide all that onto the cooling rack, just like that. And pick that up with that. Set my pan aside. And let these cool down for a little while before we have one. So that's what our cookies came out to look like. All done. I could pick one up and try it. It might break apart. I don't know. Still kind of warm. Let me see if I can lift it off. I'll get the smallest one. Take a look underneath there. Oh yeah, look at that, huh? Okay, so you really have to wait for these to cool down before you have these, because if you don't, what will happen is they'll break apart. So I think at this point we're gonna kind of like take them off of the placemat. We're gonna put them on the cooling rack. Let's take one and break one and see what happens. Oh yeah, look at that, guys, huh? Want to sample one? Look at that. You're really good. Oh my gosh. So I'm really happy how my cookies came out. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Helps other people know when they post videos. What I'm going to do is just pick them up carefully and just place them on my plate without breaking them. Well, there you have it. My peanut butter cookies for today. What do you guys think, huh? So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.